Do you know the secret of success in any of your field? Success belongs to those who have the workaholic mentality. Whenever it comes to your mind what the workaholic mentality is, then remember always the 40 plus formula, which is one of the most important secrets to succeed in life. Average human beings will only work 40 hours a week. Whatever may be the field of your life, if you are working only 40 hours a week, then you are just surviving. But if you invest more than the 40 hours a week, then this investment for your future. More than 40 hours a week will be the investment for your future. Do you know every millionaires and billionaires in the United States has 92 working hours a week? They work an average of 92 hours a week. You can learn the philosophy of working hours from Ant. Do not just live an average life. Work for more than 40 hours a week, as much as you can. Fasten your seatbelt and don't drive. No time for rest and live the life to the fullest. Always remember 40 plus formula. If you work 40 hours a week, it gives you survival. Over 40 hours is the investment for your future.